folks, let's go check it out down here at the Flying J off I-90. We had a big snowstorm come in and these trucks got stranded. A lot of them have left now. It is 11 o'clock, so they've left. I want to show you how many are still here. Just unbelievable. Anywhere you could fit a truck, they were stuck here. Stuck here for a couple of days. I'll just give you a drive around here. I bet you they ate this place out of food too. It's at the Flying J here off the Elkville exit. And there weren't just truck drivers, there was quite a few people that got stranded here. Let's see, let's go this way. Gotta do a little drive through. There is just no telling how many people were here. And you can see all the trucks that are gone. I mean, there was twice this many. Maybe not twice. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, twice this many that was here. Any and everywhere you could stack a truck this morning, there was a truck. We'll just drive around some of this area back here and I'll show you. You can see the snow's really melting. Oh yeah, see, this is just a fraction of the trucks it was here, but I'll show you how deep this goes. There were literally hundreds of trucks, and we didn't go to that section back there, but we got pretty close. These are the big windmill blade trucks. It's a massive parking lot. It's very surprising, actually. And then all back over this way. But they've been leaving out all morning. They've got a lot of the roads opened up on the interstate. They've had crews working just non-stop. And of course over here it's just a row. All the way down, back to the road. And here, all the way down, back to the main road. So I would say there was at least 500 trucks here last night. Pretty impressive. I can't imagine, you know, just incredible. Bet they ran out of fast food in there over the weekend. Or during the week, I mean. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed that. Just absolutely insane how many was there. I'll give you a view of this road, still what it looks like after they've opened it up. And it's really compressed a lot just because of the, it's a lot warmer now and it's melted and collapsed. But alright guys, you can see that snow's taller than my truck. I will catch you later.